Always strive to push your limits and step out of your comfort zone to discover what you're really capable of achieving. Hey everyone, Coach Nate here. Today we're diving into how to create a sustainable fitness lifestyle that you can actually maintain year after year. We're talking about making fitness a seamless part of your life, dealing with setbacks effectively, and continually evaluating and updating your fitness goals. So let's get started. First up, let's focus on integrating fitness into your daily routine. The key is to make fitness a habit, something you do often without even thinking about it. This means finding activities you actually enjoy doing. It doesn't always have to be going into the gym. So you're more likely to stick with them and scheduling them into your week, just like any other important meeting that you might have. So as your life evolves, whether from career changes, growing family, or shifting interests, your fitness routine should flexibly adapt, not to be abandoned. So this week, take a moment to jot down your weekly schedule and carve out specific times for your workouts. So treat these like fixed appointments. You wouldn't skip a doctor's appointment, so don't skip your fitness time. Now, setbacks can happen to everyone, whether it's an injury, illness, or any other kind of hurdle. It's essential to handle these challenges without getting discouraged. So staying positive and viewing these setbacks as temporary can help you bounce back quicker. And remember, perseverance is the key to fitness, and every challenge is an opportunity to learn and grow stronger. Create a recovery plan today. If you're injured or unwell, adjust your activities to something more manageable, like walking or a gentle yoga session. And set a daily reminder to engage in positive self-talk that actually reinforces your ability to recover. And you could also journal. That's one thing that I also like doing. And personally, I had an injury on my chest, I think it was end of last year. And it took me time to recover. I'm still recovering from it. I can't say that I'm 100%, but I changed my program. I had to adapt as well. So I encourage you to not give up because, you faced a hurdle. Just try and create a different program or schedule and adapt. So as you progress, your fitness goals will naturally evolve. It's crucial to also periodically assess where you are and where you want to be. This might mean setting higher goals, adjusting old ones, or even taking on completely new fitness challenge. So I know a lot of people end up competing in shows, in bodybuilding shows, in powerlifting shows. So it could be different things that you might find yourself drawn to. So always strive to push your limits and step out of your comfort zone to discover what you're really capable of achieving. So tonight, review your current fitness goals and write down at least one new goal for the next month. It could be increasing the weight you lift by 10%, adding an extra mile to your run, or trying a new fitness class. And that's about it. So thanks for hanging out with me today. I hope this discussion inspires you to embed fitness deeply into your lifestyle, navigate setbacks with resilience, and continuously refresh your goals. So remember, every step forward is a step toward becoming a healthier, stronger version of yourself. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, follow or subscribe for more motivational content. Don't forget to share your fitness journey in the comments below. So we're all in this together. I love seeing your progress. And if you are looking for structured support, check out the links in the description. I've got free programs you can download on my website, paid programs, an inner circle community, and a one-on-one fitness coaching program. So we want to meet you where you are on your fitness journey. That is our goal. And so just click the link that applies to you in the description, and see you in the next video. Peace out.